So, haven't done this in a while, but I was practicing the guitar this morning, just goofing around, and one of my favorite songs is Sitting on the Dock of the Bay. And, you know, I was playing the song and then just completely rewrote the entire lyrics within like 5 minutes. Like, it just poured out of me, which is rare because I don't really write music that much anymore. But, you know, just reminiscing where I've been over this past year, you know, where I was a year ago today is just entirely different. Like, in every which way, my life has shifted, you know, career-wise, relationship-wise, you know, where I live, what I'm doing, like, everything is just different, right? And it's just been amazing. Like, so much has changed for the better, and like sometimes I'm just waiting for like something to happen, for like something to go wrong, because life is so good now, right? I don't know, I just feel really blessed, and I wanted to share this, you know, maybe just really for my future self, just to remember where I'm at now, and to know like good things are coming. And yeah, the pain and the suffering it's all worth it in the end. All the dark times, like it's made me who I am today, and I'm really proud of what I've accomplished and what I've done, and yeah, it's exciting. So anyways, here's a song. I'm not a singer. For those of you watching this, I don't sing. I don't like to sing. I'm sorry you have to hear me sing, but whatever. It's a fun song that I wrote, and I want to share it. So if I sing off key, hey, you know, at least I warned you. But yeah. Sitting in the evening moon, as I drink away my whiskey blues, watching the days slip by, while I'm asking the good Lord why. And I'm just sitting on the airplane, watching my troubles fly away. I'm just sitting on the airplane, can't help but smile. Left my home